Welcome back to our channel. At Citified Designs, we pride ourselves in creating beautiful, serene spaces, in line with our clients' needs. If you haven't yet, kindly like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. This is a restaurant we designed for a client who was looking for a vibrant but cohesive space with a few bookshelves. The client wanted to create a place where customers can not only eat, but also read books and play board games. And that is exactly what we delivered. We made a visit to the proposed site. On our first visit, the client had already selected the tiles, but they had not been fixed. There were a lot of unfinished works, including the paintwork, electrical connections, and so much more. They were still in the process of extending the terrace area to allow for more seating space. It was a small space, so there was need to maximize it as much as possible. On our second visit, most of the tiling work was already completed. Similarly, the undercoat paintwork was nearly done. However, as you can see, there were still a lot of touch-ups left to go. We immediately embarked on the design, with the client's approval. Our first idea was to add wash hand basins right at the entrance to serve both the restaurant and the adjacent wash areas. We added a few mirrors above the sinks, a bin, and artificial climber plants behind the mirrors. For the main restaurant space, we found an ideal spot for the bar area. We sectioned off the counter to create additional sitting areas. We then added a number of bar seats, incorporated decorative mirrors with golden frames, and a potted plant. We proceeded to add rattan pendant lamps to the restaurant space. We completed the look by adding the rest of the furniture. To incorporate the client's wishes, we added lean bookshelves for the client's collections at the farthest end of the space. For the outdoor terrace area, we opted for a green theme with an artificial grass carpet for the flooring. We added round dining seats to the area, and accessorized with potted plants. The client was satisfied with the concept, so we proceeded to make the renders for all the views. The colors were vibrant and well coordinated. The patterns on the floor tiles were not overpowered, and the general look of the entire design was very cohesive. All in all, it was an amazing project that we were so happy to be part of. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share our videos for more interior design content.